What's going on, guys? We're here with another video. This video is just gonna be I don't know if y'all heard, pretty sure some of you guys heard of Statikleo. He's a local here in Houston. Oh, that's their bike. Some little dirt bike, little kid on it. But yeah, Statikleo's having a little truck giveaway, and we're just gonna go. He's doing like a little meet, I guess, with it as well. So never really been to one of these, but we're gonna take Stitches, a single cab. We did want to take the Sandra, but yesterday we went on a little cruise. Remember? We went on a little cruise and we had a blowout on my brother's Tundra. One of his billets, I think it's bent or something. So we're gonna get that taken care of here soon. I mean, we don't drive the truck at all either way, so we're just gonna take this one and we're gonna go with my boy Adrian and his Ram. And yeah, I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. We did wash it yesterday, so all I gotta do is detail it, give it a little quick detail, and we'll see how it goes. We're just gonna go out there for a little bit, so not really much gonna be like a vlog or anything like that. We're probably just gonna do some coverage up there. So, but yeah, we thought we'd just take the truck out there because we ain't really driving it. So stay tuned. Goddamn train. Every time we pass by the street, train stops. It always stops. It stops in the middle and then it just comes right back. All the time, bro. So hopefully it don't stop. Hopefully it keeps going and we go. Look, what I tell you? God damn! Alright guys, we just pulled up to the little meetup spot. We did get here kind of early just to get some decent parking, but there's already some vehicles showing up. We got this bad boy out here. So yeah, we're just gonna take some footage around, walk around. Like I said, we did get here a little early. So we're gonna see how bad it gets filled up. Hopefully I don't get blocked in this bitch. But alright guys. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the video. I mean, we didn't really record a whole lot. I guess we got there kind of early and there wasn't a lot of vehicles there yet. We did see a few trucks, so we did get a little bit of coverage. Really, I wanted to go see me and my brother wanted to go see the giveaway truck. What's crazy is, if I'm not wrong, I remember that truck back whenever we were in Swift Car Club, and I remember that truck, but I don't know if it's it. But it's crazy to see now it's going to be given away, you know, so pretty badass. It was good. So, yeah, that's pretty much going to be it, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video. Sauce.